What is going on, guys? In today's video, we are going to be installing some clear tail lights on Cody's Honda Civic Si. So no content on the GTI today. We're actually going to be working only on Cody's car today, but GTI videos coming very, very soon. I'm actually recording this after the fact, but I just want to say this install was really easy and it took probably 15 minutes. I believe it's like 5 bolts, 2 things you have to like unclip, and you are completely done installing the taillights. Dude, there's rocks. Oh, look at that. Now we can get some fresh air when we're working on the vehicle. Oh, this thing is sick. Get a little fade on the taillights, you see what I'm saying?
She takes 3 fingers.
He just full on fisted his trunk, dude. Okay, so we're here with Cody and Amy Lynn. This is the set of clear tail lights going on Cody's car. These things look killer. And we're gonna show you guys exactly how to install some clear tails on your Civic Si. All right, so very easily to get these out, literally these 2 right here. And then I'll just get like a close up of all the things, even though they're all self-explanatory.
Yeah, they literally just fell right where they needed to be. You literally just set her back in here.
Pop
bang,
her in.
bang, 2 screws.
Dude,
don't look at it.
Don't look at it. Oh, yep. Man. So on the head or taillight itself, there's a couple clips, like one right here and here. And then, was this a clip? No, that was the screw. Literally 2, and that's it. And you can just pull her on out. Dude, there's rocks. Wow. Oh, look at that. Dude, I wish the GTIs was like this easy.
Yeah,
like,
you don't have to reach your hand in and try to...
It's not plugging in.
Oh.
This one here. Am I just being a puss? No, it's... I don't want to break it.
Also, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but we've upgraded shops. All right, we have
the positivity there.
Now we can get some fresh air when we're working on the vehicle. Oh, we're just shoving it in there.
I'm gonna try and bend it.
All right, let's hope Cody doesn't break the brand new taillights. Oh, moment of truth. Oh!
I'm bougie about certain stuff, so
You gotta get the actual...
like I could go get him a $12 Walmart one, but like I could get him the bougie $200 one.
Ooh, he's trying to give me the climax right now. The maximum gift. Okay, so to get the trunk taillights out, you have a bunch of little plastic little heads all around, little tabs like that, and you literally pull them out, pop them out, and the pants fall off. Yep, there you go. If you need a rear little squishiness.
It's maybe 10 pounds.
Is everyone just making fun of all my disabilities? Oh. Yeah, Aylin's got the muscle. She'll get it. Yeah, get it. Dang, that's a parts car right there.
I don't think the channel's seen that yet.
I don't think they have either. This thing is sick. Yeah, black spray paint. Get a little fade on the tail lights. You see what I'm saying? Look at the upgraded shop right here, though. That's what I'm talking about. Get like a B-roll of the shop real quick.
$8 mil.
An 8
Actually,
mil?
these might be different but I had to get an extension so I can go up in that hole.
Oh.
And get up in there. Hey, I
Like-
get in all the good spots, bud.
Dude, this is getting
Just
freaky.
ask all the fat bitches in my local 614.
Dude, this is about to be rated R.
What
They're
up?
about to demonetize me. He's shoving stuff in holes over here. He just full on fisted his trunk, dude. This was a whole fist in the rear end.
In here are 8 mils.
Okay, so 8s, 10s. That is kind of crazy. Pop her out. Oh, yep. You just
That hit me.
hit her in the eye.
It does.
No, that's fancy. Wow. Pilgrims, they upgraded. They have whole vans now. Dude,
We're like 12 deep in that van.
dude, it was like an army. Like, I was hands up in sheets, and then I seen them pile all into a freaking van. It was crazy.
So I can't fist this side. I don't want to drop the
There, yeah, there
Nope.
you go.
Oh, she takes 3 fingers.
Man, this video, we are screwed, dude.
There is no monetization here.
There you go. So there were no clips in these, right?
There was one, like
One
the
clip?
ones that were over here.
Okay.
But honestly, I don't
They would
think
just
they're
come
really
out.
clipping much.
Those do look really good, I'm not gonna lie. How's fitment? How's fitment? So fitment? Fitment's decent. I think this side's better. Yeah, this side's better up top for sure. So like, this side has like
yeah.
no gap up top here. And then, dude, this side's really good, actually.
Which I could probably adjust that.
Right? I mean, there's a little tiny gap here, but I think that's like normal. That looks pretty good. Heck yeah, dude.
Have you seen the twin turbo K series NSX?
No?
Look on my TV.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
I can see it in the mirror.
Oh, yeah, I forgot him back here.
What was that?
The cheese stick. And just like that, it is now the next day. We have the GTI behind me. That install was super, super easy. It literally took like 15, maybe 20 minutes to fully install the clear taillights, and they look amazing in my personal opinion. But in the upcoming weeks, we have videos right here on this GTI that is bagged and slammed on the floor. So if you are new here, make sure you subscribe for more content. We upload every single week on this channel. That's gonna go ahead and wrap up today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't heard it yet today, I am proud that you are here. I am proud that you have achieved things that many cannot. Thank you for being with us and continue to be with us every single day. I mentioned before, every single week we have another banger. Next week is on the GTI, probably. I will see you guys next week. I love ya.